Meaning of dialing code.
Dialing code.
Dialing code.
Dialing code.
Dialing code. A dialing code is a sequence of numbers used to identify a telephone network for the purpose of routing telephone calls to a particular location. The code, also known as an area code or STD code, typically consists of 3 to 5 digits. Dialing codes are used when making long-distance or international calls to ensure that the call reaches the correct destination. They play an essential role in connecting people across vast distances and enabling communication between individuals and businesses from all corners of the world.